Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in Python. Today I will show you how to find addition of two numbers using classes and objects. And usually I told you class is a combination of methods and variables. And in the main function I am calling class with the object. Okay. This is the procedure for any type of object-oriented language. Okay. Now what I will do? First I will go to this Visual Studio Code. All the programs I in Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, you can run any type of program. Okay. Here what I will do? Okay, I will open the program which I already done. Okay, just will explain. See, in this program, I am calling the class for addition. Inside the class, I am declaring function. One is for assigning, one is for find the total sum value. Okay. Now self is for if you want to declare a variable as blank. Okay. I am telling self comma num2. Okay. Now here what is happening? Now in the previous programs we are declaring the variable inside the class. Okay. And for that class we are passing the variable to the whatever parameters are there assigned to the function we are assigned to the local variables. Okay. Now in this since the variables which are not declared in the class, okay, we have to assign the same variable to the class also. For that we are telling self. Okay, I am telling self that num1 is equal to num1. Okay, one in the right hand side the variable become value, in the left hand side it become variable. Usually in the left hand side we declare as variable and right hand side declared as value. Self dot num1 and self dot num2 become variable and num1 and num2 are the values. Now again I am calling one more function. Self means I am not passing any parameter. Okay, if I am not passing any parameter I am telling self. Then here I am telling s is equal to, this is the result variable, self dot num1 plus self dot num2. Okay, I am adding two numbers, then I am storing this sum. Okay, then what I am doing, I am calling the main function. In the main function I am using object in the class. Okay, I am calling one class with two objects, and here using this object I am calling the function assign, and what are the parameters I have passed here, for that parameter I am passing the value to the object. Okay, and again after passing I am calling the object with function because I want to calculate the sum of two numbers. Okay, like that I am calling the function two times. I am initializing the value two times and I am passing the function two times. Okay, I am calculating two times. Okay, this find function is called two times for object 1 and object 2, and the assign function is assigning the values for both object 1 and object 2, and it is adding and printing separately. Now what I will do? Now whatever the values you want you can pass here. Okay, because I declared the variable as this one. This is for assigning and this is for printing. Okay. Now once you run this program, so you can see this. For object 1 the value is 93, for object 2 the value is 83. Okay. Here which is the object we are using? S1. S1 is the first object and S2 is the second object. Okay, thank you.